Hello everyone, I am Amar, and in this video I'll be introducing you to a powerful yet simple tool called Buffer. Buffer is a free social media management platform that helps individuals and businesses schedule and publish content across various social media platforms. So, let's get started. Some of the tools available to help with your social media management includes publishing and scheduling, analyze to measure the content performance, engage with your community, and even building your own customized landing page in just minutes. Buffer offers three main versions to cater to different needs: the free version, essential, and theme. Of course, you'll have limited access to features on free version, but I think it is enough for personal use. If you plan to use Buffer for work, consider getting the essential or theme version for a smoother and wider access to the platform. You can even get a 14-day free trial to explore the advanced features offered on the paid versions. Alright, to get started, click Get Started Now at the top right of the home page to create a Buffer account. Since I already have my account, I will just log in. Alright, for now, we'll focus on Buffer's free version to explore its basic publishing tools. First, connect your social media channel by clicking Connect a Channel. Basically, most of the mainstream social media we use are available to connect. Once connected, Buffer's navigation panel at the top gives you tools for publishing, engage, analytics, and the start page, a feature that allows you to create a simple landing page for your content directly on Buffer. This is similar to what Linktree offers. However, since we are on the free version, we cannot access the engage and analyze page. You need the paid plan to be able to use those features. Alright, let me link Buffer to my Instagram first. When connecting, you'll be required to choose whether your account is personal or professional. For personal account, Buffer cannot do automatic posting for you. Instead, you'll only be reminded to post manually. For business accounts, we'll have access to automatic posting. So now, just click Connect to Instagram and log into your account. Once your channel is connected, you can start scheduling posts. Go to the calendar and choose a date. For example, to schedule a post for June 24th, click Add Post on the date, select the time, and then you can write your caption, add the emojis, and include an image or video for the posting. Then, once you have selected everything, it will show on Instagram preview site. So you have to check everything and make sure it is right before you post. Okay. Then the post will automatically publish at the scheduled time you have chosen. But to show you guys how it works, I will just click Publish Now on the post. So let's check our Instagram. And yes, it is posted. Okay, nice. Next, I'm going to show you how to create your customized landing page for your business. Click the Start Page button and then just choose your template. I will choose this pizza template as my business account is for my restaurant. Then type your page name. Mine is Mashi Bistro. From here, you can basically change anything you see to your liking. You can change the logo, the button link, and where it will go to. Okay, say you are selling a product and people need to place order through WhatsApp. You can just replace the link here with your WhatsApp link. Once you are satisfied with everything, you can just click Publish Changes and then type the domain you want, and then you can click Publish Start Page. And once you are done, copy the link and paste it on your social media page's bio. For Instagram, you can only add links on mobile, so I will go and do that on my mobile first. Alright, so this is how it will appear when people click on your link. I think this is really helpful for businesses and content creators to be more organized. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Buffer, the pros and cons. For advantages, first, it is easy to use and beginner friendly. The UI UX is pretty straightforward and easy to navigate, which is good for beginners. Next, Buffer helps us save time and stay organized by allowing scheduling posting for up to months in advance, even on the free version. The third one is it supports multiple social accounts. And lastly, the free version is available with sufficient features. And for the disadvantages, the first one is the free version limits you to only 3 accounts and 10 scheduled posts per account at a time. Again, for personal use, it is pretty good, but if you are using Buffer for work, then please consider getting the paid version. Next, Buffer does not provide advanced analytics or team collaboration in free tier. Personally, I think Buffer should allow access to analytics on free version, but maybe they can limit it to some extent. It would be better that way. So, what are you guys' opinion on Buffer? Personally, I think Buffer's free version is sufficient for personal usage and simple campaign management for content creators, but it is not for businesses and agencies. And that marks the end of this tutorial video. Well, thank you for watching to the end. And if you'd like to see more upcoming videos, please show some love by hitting the thumbs up button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.